what is isithunywa? Let's ask that first.
No.
Awusho ke mfundisi ngoba into zenu lezi zithunywa.
I wouldn't even say ukuthi into yabefundisi.
No, well angizothini mina.
Into ya wonke umuntu emhlabeni. Because there's this connection then one must make with the world around them and that which we don't know that put all of this into place, right? And because we physically cannot reach a certain place, that which is not physical does that engagement. That which is not physical. Not saying anyone's grandmother, anyone's grandfather. No. That which is not physical in you, the person.
Which is in everyone.
Is in everything.
In everything.
Everything that was before, that is right now, and ever will be.
So isithunywa, first of all, let's get it out of the way. Isithunywa is not ugogo wakho. Is not umkhulu wakho. Isithunywa is not into yakini. Isithunywa is not into yasesontweni. Akusinto ezangoma. Into yabantu bonke.
Bonke emhlabeni. Bonke.
And isithunywa lesi comes in a group. Z7 maziphelele. Ithunywa zikamenzi. Which I think they are essential energies that we all possess. We all possess vitality. We all possess sensuality. We all possess sexuality. We all possess steadfastness. We all possess creativity. We all possess sustainability. And it's the misunderstanding of what isithunywa is and what isithunywa is not that leads maybe to this question, where does isithunywa get initiated?
So anywhere on earth, I would say, and not to sound condescending or anything, that anywhere on earth where you can find a teaching of peace, you can find a teaching of connection with yourself. It can be anywhere, right? It's just that now we live in a world where there are certain institutions in place which are said to be the only places we can connect with that which is higher than us. Yeah, well, and right now those are the places which do the initiating of those things. And in some places they say they initiate for that, but they actually don't. Initiate for something else.
For something else.
Yeah.
That's where you find the izinto ngesingazuthepa into.
Yeah.
But where do isithunywa get initiated? First of all, I can be initiated in a Buddhist monastery. Ngizozikhuphula isithunywa.
Exactly.
I can be initiated by the Hindus.
Ngizozikhuphula
isithunywa. I can be initiated by the Hare Krishna movement. Ngizozikhuphula isithunywa. Mina isithunywa esam sikhuphuke emarasteni. If that's the case, esam isithunywa sikhuphuke emarasteni. And emarasteni there's this philosophy, ukuthi behold the Lion of the tribe of Judah who prevailed to open the 7 seals. So the opening of those 7 seals, we believe ukuthi ukhuphuka kwesithunywa lokho to different degrees. That's why you'd hear Marasta say, we raise the irids, we raise the spirit, sikhuphula umoya, sikhuphula isithunywa. So where does it get initiated? I won't say where and how. I won't, because now angifuni manje ngizifake in the line of fire.
Yeah.
But yeah, isithunywa is a natural phenomenon that occurs to everybody, basically.